are going to see e-assessment in online classes. Online classes are the trend of the present scenario. It made everything easy for both the learner and teacher. It can be accessed anytime, anywhere. The assessment process in online learning is different from face-to-face. Let us see some of the e-assessment methods we can use in online classes. The first one is online quizzes. Quizzes are a traditional assessment tool. Plus, when paired with technology, they are an excellent way to engage student learning. Quiz questions can take a number of forms such as multiple choice, fill in the blank, and hard spots. One benefit of quizzes is that they are short and easy to assess. You can shuffle the questions to make the quiz unique for each learner. You can use web tools like Google Forms, Kahoot, Quizzes, and Quizlet to create quizzes for your learners. The second types of test is open-ended or essay questions. Open-ended or essay questions prompts learner to explore their thoughts, feelings, and opinions while testing their overall comprehension of a topic. This type of question encourages critical thinking. It is best suited for evaluating higher level learning. Essay questions require a longer time for students to think, organize, and compose their answers. You can use Google Documents, blogs to create open-ended or essay type questions for your students. Another type of question you can add in online learning is dialogue simulations. A dialogue simulation is a way to train learners for real-life conversations. When creating a conversation activity based on a situation that a student may face on the job, let them know what to expect and provide a safe place to practice their reactions and responses. You can use web tools and softwares like Cartoon Story Maker, Powtoon, and Scratch programming to create dialogue simulations. Another interesting type of questions you can use in online learning is online polls. Polls allow you to capture feedback directly from the learners about their learning experiences. They can be used to measure anything from learning satisfaction to why a student made a particular choice during a lesson. Online surveys are highly engaging for learners because they allow them to share their opinions, make themselves heard, and are quick to complete. You can also use poll questions when you want to quickly grab and focus your learners' attention on something important or break up the ice during an online group interview session. You can use web tools like Padlet for online polling. Even you can use polling options in Google Meet or Zoom for online poll. Another kind of online questions you can use in online learning is game type activities. Game type activities turn a story of test questions into a game. For example, a trivia game might ask learners to answer a certain number of questions within a period of time and award points based on the number of correct answer. Some tools are giving badges for the learner's performance. Game-based assessments are considered fun and not tests. So they are generally a good indicator of true skills and knowledge. Besides, they have been shown to enhance learning by promoting the development of non-cognitive skills such as discipline, risk-taking, collaboration and problem solving. You can add game activities when you want to engage and challenge your students in a non-traditional way. Organizations have found that game type activities work well in employees training, while schools have found that high achievement students enjoy competing with their peer in learning games. You can use Kahoot, quizzes and Quizlets to conduct this type of trivia quizzes for your learner. The another type of online questions you can use in your online classes are peer evaluation and review. Peer evaluation turns the tables to put learners into the instructor's seat and allow students to review and edit each other's work. Such activities give each participant a chance to reflect on their knowledge and communicate their feedback in a consistent and structured way. You can use online tools like Google Docs, Google Slides and blogs for peer assessment and review. The another type of online questions you can use in your online classes are forum posts. A forum post is an online discussion board organized around a topic. Asking students to contribute to a forum post in an excellent way to engage, gain their understanding. It increase their interest and support their learning. In this activity, students are given a critical thinking question based on a lesson or a reading and are asked to reflect on both. Their answers are posted to a forum and their peers are given the chance to respond to their answers. Online assessments are a critical part of e-learning and should be undertaken with the same level of care and rigor that you put into creating your learning content. The good news is that you don't have to be a programming genius to found online assessments. There are many software tools and web tools allow you to generate engaging tasks. Choose your way to assess students' learning and the related tool to align your needs and the result you want to achieve. I hope this will help you to plan what are the e-assessment question types you can use in your online classes. Thank you.